gorgeous, Chanel Haley here. Welcome back to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like this video because I am bringing you the heat. I am bringing you tips and tricks to grow your Instagram quickly. If you want to know how I went from 4,700 followers to almost 20,000 followers in less than 30 days, continue on watching because I am giving out free game, okay? Keep on watching. You guys, I'm going to enter in all the dates. I have all the receipts, how I've grown my Instagram extremely quickly. Okay, let's get right into it. So on December 19th, which I will put the clips in so you can see, December 19th, I had 4,700 followers, okay? That's December 19th of 2020. Today, it is, what is today? Today is January 15th. And I have 17,800 followers on my Instagram. That is less than 30 days that I have grown my Instagram to that much. In less than 30 days, I have grown my Instagram significantly. And I have done just simple things, literally. First thing I want to say is, everyone will say this, is you have to be consistent. And I'm not kidding. You have to post every single day if you can. You have to post every single day. So this is what I did. I started off by posting on TikTok every day. Every day I posted on TikTok 3 to 4 times a day. You want to make sure you have your Instagram linked in your bio, so people are, when they're engaging with your TikTok, they can go ahead and go over to your Instagram and follow you there. But let me tell you what's really going to help you out and grow your Instagram followers is you need to post 1 reel a day. All I did was save my TikToks and post it to my reel. So if you don't know what a reel is basically like a TikTok for your Instagram. They basically have all the same features as TikTok. The video can only be 30 seconds, but that's okay. So you want to do this every single day. I actually have pictures here, okay? Because I'm not even gonna, I have all of the footage. So in the first day, December 20th, I had 5,300 followers. So I had gained over, just in a day, I had gained almost 1,000 followers. So on day 1 of when I started posting 1 reel a day, the next day I had 5,300 followers. One day I grew that many followers. On day 2, on January 21st, I had 6,500 followers, over 6,500 followers. So you guys are seeing how effective this really is and how this really has helped me to grow my Instagram. So on day 3, January 22nd, I had 7,000 followers. 7,000 followers in, what is that, 3 days? Just by posting 1 reel a day. And that's literally all you have to do. January 23rd, I think this was maybe the 4th day, I'm not keeping up, but it was a little bit slower. I didn't gain that many followers, and that'll happen. I had 7,325. I didn't really gain from the next day, but I definitely made up for it on that next day. Yeah, because on the 24th, I had over 8,300 followers. So I didn't make a lot the previous day. I didn't gain a lot the previous day, but I made up for it on this day. So this is day, I started on day 20, right? Honey, y'all, I'm getting messed up. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So this is day 5. So the 24th would be day 5. I had 8,340 followers. On December 25th, which was Christmas, almost a week later, I had almost 10,000 followers just by posting 1 reel a day. And in a week, I gained my Instagram to over 10,000 followers. By December the 26th, I had 10,003 followers. After that week, I kind of stopped going week by week. So this is December 26th. Today is the January 15th. And now I have, I have over 17,000 followers. I'm almost at 8K, which means I'm 18K. So now I have over 17,000 followers. I'm almost at 18K, 18,000. And I will be at 20,000 very soon. And my Instagram is just going up because I'm being consistent. I post 1 reel a day. Let me give you some other tips that will help you as well. 1 reel a day. Do not waste any money on ads. Ads are not working anymore. They just do not work. Unless you are spending $200 and $300 a day on running ads, they're just not working. It's so many people using ads. And so I would just recommend you save your money, use it elsewhere, but do not use any type of ads. Hashtags are not working either because of the election. They're getting overcrowded with election news and stuff like that. So you don't want to use any hashtags. What you want to do is you always want to use the new features that Instagram is pushing out, because when you use new features, Instagram likes when accounts are using new features. So they're going to push your account out to the algorithm. And by posting a lot, it's definitely helping your algorithm as well. So something else you want to do is you want to post stories. And on your stories, you can use a new feature, which is a layout. And also when you do that, you want to add a location. This will help you a lot. You want to add a location, and you also want to add a few hashtags. Now I said hashtags don't work, but they do work when you post them to your story. You want to just add that to the bottom, a few little hashtags that will go along with your picture. Add your location. You don't have to be your exact location, but abroad, like Atlanta, Georgia, and that would be cool. Another thing that you can do is you want to interact with your followers. You want to make it feel like y'all are family and they're just not following you. You want to post, I would post maybe one poll a day. Just engaging with your followers, even on a business side, or engaging with your followers on a personal level. Well, however you're doing your Instagram. It's my business Instagram that I'm talking about. So I'm engaging with my customers, asking them, you know, what they want on a restock, what kind of sale do they want, just different things to engage with my customers. Also, what's something else? Also, you can post questions and things like that. Ask them questions, like I just asked my followers, like, I'm doing a Q&A. Hey, what kind of, you know, questions would you like for me to answer? So, and I'm going to do that at the end of this video. I might do it at the end of this video. I might save that to do it for another one. Yes, so thank you guys so much for watching. If this was beneficial to you at all, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like this video. Please leave me a comment and let me know if this helped you. Please, I just want to know if these tips and tricks are really working. Thank you guys so much. It's 2021 and I am being so consistent with my videos. I've said this years and years ago so many times and I never did it, but today is the day I make that change. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you tune into my other videos. If you see this outfit again, mind your business. No, I'm just kidding, but yeah, mind your business, because yeah, I'm bringing the heat. I keep saying that. Maybe that just will be my little, I'm bringing the heat. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you tune in to my next video. Go ahead and follow all of my socials. Thank you guys so much.